How's it going? This is Jay with Act Now Education. I'm back with another great resource. I'm here with CEO and founder of VetsinTech, Katherine Webster. How's it going, Katherine?
It's going great, Jay. I'm happy to be here with you.
Thank you. Thank you for spending time and to talk about VetsinTech and what you guys offer. Can you kind of go into what VetsinTech is?
Yeah, sure. So VetsinTech, we've been around since 2012. All we do is 100% focus on getting vets into tech careers and tech ecosystem. We focus on education, employment, and entrepreneurship, the 3 E's. In education, we're training veterans in cybersecurity, in web development. This year, we'll be doing data science. We've just launched a program with Google and the Google Cloud Platform, training there. And upcoming will be AI and machine learning. We have an amazing employer coalition. Please check them out on our website. That includes Google and Facebook and Adobe and Microsoft and Cloudera and Genentech and a number of other companies, some of the top tech companies in Silicon Valley.
Well, that is awesome. So as far as the courses, can you kind of go into some of the demand that you see with the certifications and to kind of talk about the application process if someone's interested in applying to VetsinTech?
Yeah, sure. Absolutely. We have such demand, especially in light of COVID right now. More people, shelter in place and hungry for this education. And thanks to doing it virtual, we're able to double our classroom size, and we have been doing just that. So in cybersecurity, number one, we're training 4 different tracks. We have Palo Alto networks, firewall. We have Security Plus training, more advanced. We have, we're forwarding vets through the CCNA, Cisco CyberVets program, and Splunk. In web development, we're training on front-end web development, and the Google Cloud program that I mentioned just launched. And again, we're taking applications for the AI and machine learning. The application process is pretty simple. Most of the classes are beginner, especially front-end web development. And we've had, for cybersecurity, a good understanding of networking is important, but we have had people not have much training and completely get through the Palo Alto networks training. But basically all we ask is you verify your veteran status with us. We have just implemented ID Me, so that makes it super simple on our website. And also supports, what's nice is we service veterans as well as active duty and military spouses. And we can verify all 3. So this year we'll be training over 700 between veterans, active duty, and military spouses, and it was super exciting. Another great thing that this unfortunate silver lining of COVID has opened this up. We just graduated a class last Friday, and people were from Korea to Germany, mostly in the US, but still Japan. We had at least 3 or 4 international in the last class alone, and that's really great because they were all prepping for transition.
That's solid. So being able to provide that opportunity for individuals that are transitioning. So if you are abroad and you're kind of doing your final tour, this is a good opportunity to kind of learn and knock out a cert virtually. So does VetsinTech have anything coming up as far as webinars or any events? Where can we learn more about VetsinTech?
Yeah, we have something almost every single month. VetsinTech, we are over 40,000 strong right now in our community. We're in 20 chapters. Last year, we did 77 events around the country, but specifically for the training, we have coming up, we have our next employer event, June 25th. We then go into July 7th, we're having a dedicated event with Twilio. On July 13th, we have Security Plus training with InfoSec Institute. We'll be doing another web development, front-end web development, probably one at the end of July and August. And in September, I know we're doing another Palo Alto Networks class. So there's at least one a month through the end of the year.
And they'll find that on the website?
Yes, at VetsinTech.co.
That's awesome. So as far as for individuals that are trying to look for these different opportunities and take advantage of them, do you have any words of advice for anyone transitioning, key points, or any knowledge that you're willing to share with others?
Yes, I think a few things. First and foremost, we once taught a class, and these are important words. Your network is your net worth. It turns out everybody that you know today, and some that have transitioned out and have already landed, and they're on LinkedIn, and make sure that you continue to keep up your network of people you've served with, and then as you continue to network out into the field that you want to land, which hopefully is tech, you can reach out through VetsinTech. VetsinTech are first and foremost a community, and we have vast resources through also our mentoring program. I think it is important that you decide what it is you do want to do. Some people don't right off the bat, and we're happy to have those conversations. If they're just saying, I want to break into tech, which is a broad category. So you don't always have to code to get a job in tech. And I think that's really important for people to understand. We try to demystify tech. So you can do product and project management. Veterans are great at that. Tracking and operations, marketing, these veterans very social media savvy, everywhere from finance and legal and HR. So there are many, many functions in a tech company that don't require coding. If you do want to do on the technical roles, which are very highly in demand, do look into those, whether it's cybersecurity path you want to go down or software engineering and development. And then look at the companies that you might want to go to work for. So go onto the Google website or the Facebook website and look at the vast number of roles they have available and look at where you might be a fit or where you want to go. If you're not a fit today, look at what requirements are there so you know I should brush up on, or I should take a class in X or Y. So really looking at those job functions and see what you think you might want to do. Of course, again, on the VetsinTech website, submit your resume, because all of those companies are coming there to look for you. And it's also very valuable in some cases with transitioning veterans. They have security clearances. That is highly in demand with many of these big companies that are doing business with the government and need that security clearance. So submit your resume, join our community, get active in that community, because again, there's 40,000 there to connect to and that can potentially help you.
That's solid information. That's a lot of good information to unpack, and I really appreciate it. So please, those who are watching, if you're tuning in, please reach out to VetsinTech. Go to the website. There's a bunch of links and resources related to the events that they have. Reach out and figure out what you want to do. Contact individuals that are already transitioned, kind of get that way or that path ahead. I really appreciate everything you do, Katherine. It's very refreshing to see organizations out there supporting the military community in the way that you guys are doing it. It's a highly recommended program. So if you guys don't know anything about VetsinTech, go to the website now. Thank you again for your time. And I really appreciate it.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you getting the word out. We appreciate it.